Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, I'm Makiyah Michelle, y'all. Long time no see in this setting with this quality, with this camera, girl. It's giving everything it needs to give, and I have not filmed on this camera in about a year, so my room and everything just looks so different on camera, and I'm absolutely in love with it. Like, my younger self would die being able to see this quality and how good my filming setup looks right now. But y'all, today we are going to be doing a little bit of a chit chat. Get ready with me. I'm just going to be showing y'all my everyday makeup routine for the summertime because things have definitely changed, and I just want to give you all the tea on how to be cute this summer because that's all we're doing this summer. We just looking cute all summer. So if you want to see my summer makeup routine for 2022, then just keep watching. Hold on, did I forget to light a candle? Just a second, sweetie, and I need to clean my beauty blender. Okay guys, so now I'm back with the vibes. You know, my candle's lit back there. Y'all could barely see it. Is it okay? Y'all can see it in the mirror, and I got one right here too. Anyways, but my camera is lit and my sponge is wet, okay? So we're all ready to go. Girl, first of all, I just went ahead and filled in my brows and put in some brow gel. That's how I've been doing my brows. I like my brows to be really soft and natural looking, so that's all I did. I just ran some brow gel through them, filled in the little sparse areas with my e.l.f. brow pencil, the best brow pencil ever, because one thing about it, it's inexpensive and it's pigmented. So you get your bang for your buck, okay? I love my e.l.f. brow pencil. I've literally been using that brow pencil for years. And now it's time to get into the skin and the face part because I feel like that's the best part of a summer makeup routine. The skin has to be on 10. So I don't like to pile up too much products, but just enough so that I still look flawless and, you know, it's giving that beat face look. So first I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my face. I'm using my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I like this one because my makeup really sticks to it, and also it just doesn't let me get too oily and, you know, sweat it out and whatnot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this. Also makes my skin look really nice too. I'm keeping this band on, and I'm just gonna blend that line of demarcation in because one thing about it, I am not getting any makeup in this lace, okay? So I'm keeping my edges covered and protected. I'm obsessed with how my skin has been looking lately. I need to give y'all a skincare routine ASAP. Like, she's been looking so good and hydrated. Ooh, oh my gosh, she's been looking so good. Let me take a few pre-makeup selfies. Okay guys, so recently I've really been loving my Charlotte Tilbury, what is this even called? This is a beautiful skin foundation. It says for your best healthy looking skin day every day. And when I tell you, it really does make your skin look so pretty and glowy. I'm in the shade 11 Warm. I do believe they can, you know, widen that shade range a little bit, but I'm glad I found my shade because this is just mwah. But Charlotte Tilbury, please don't play. Let's get some more shades going. I'm just gonna go ahead and buff this into my skin with a flat brush. Very lightly, just spread it out with that brush. Let me find my brush actually. I think it's over here. So I can show y'all exactly how I'm gonna buff this in. And I'm just gonna go like this and stipple it into my face. You can see how I'm really not pressing too hard on the brush. I'm literally just tapping over my skin. Let me move my hand so it doesn't mess with the lighting. Tapping over my skin. Getting an even blend, and you can see how that just perfectly blended with my skin, and it still looks like skin. It doesn't look like any heavy product or anything. You can still see my natural skin peeking through a little bit. And this shade match is so good. It literally just blends right in. This blends in like butter, y'all, especially over the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. It just blends in so freaking smooth. Like, I'm obsessed right now. It's not even a game. Ooh, my nose is itching. I just put on that foundation, y'all. We can't touch it. But about a month ago, I picked up the Born This Way concealer. No, was that a month ago? Like maybe 2. I picked it up and I have really been obsessed with it ever since. I have not touched any of my other concealers since I got this one because I love it so much. This is in the shade Cookie. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it underneath my eyes and the outer corner. I'm also gonna put some on my mustache area, my cupid's bow, and my chin. And then what I do is I take any excess, you're gonna see in a second, hold on, let me just apply this. I was finna get too ahead of myself. I'm just gonna put some in the inner corner, outer corner. As you can see, this is a really yellow golden shade. I definitely want to go and pick up something a little bit more cooler and olive toned because this one is just super yellow. Just gonna start off by blending this out first. I'm just gonna blend this right up to my nose bridge, the under eye, and as you can see, the coverage is beautiful. Like, I know y'all be seeing people talk about this concealer as their holy grail, and girl, believe the hype. I just feel like it looks so flawless and pretty. Just gonna put some. I take the excess and go down my nose with it. So that it's a subtle highlight, but not too much, because then I'm just gonna go in with some bronzer for my contour. So I just put a little bit of what's left on my beauty blender down my nose. Y'all, for a long time, I was using that Laura Mercier powder, but recently for the summertime, I did go back to my Ben Nye Luxury Banana powder, and baby, she still hits the same. I still love this powder, just so fine and perfect. Like, and I love this yellow undertone because it helps with my bright under eye for the summertime, so I have to go in with this to set it. You gotta blow it off, but not too much. Just gonna press this to my under eye and work it outwards. Let's set these other areas. I'll just press it in. I don't like to have too much on my skin. Just press it into my skin. I just put enough powder so that my makeup is set in place and it's not creasing OD or anything like that, but yet it still doesn't look too powdery or dry, because one thing about it, we need some dewiness to the skin for the summer, okay? Especially because I'm not like an oily skin girl. I'm really combination. I get oil in my T-zone, but not really anywhere else, so I'm okay with not using that much powder. And y'all, as you can see, all my blinds are open, so the sun is doing some crazy things. Okay, we need some bronzer just to bring some dimension to our skin, because this is looking very flat. So I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer. This is in the shade Cocoa Naughty. I've literally been using this for years. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in the hollows of my cheeks. I'm definitely gonna sharpen up this bronzer with some powder, because baby, I don't like too much bronzer. I like it to look sharp, but not anything that looks unnatural. Just gonna go like this, and I go back and forth so that I don't get that super harsh line, but I still get a little bit of definition. Okay, like you can see how the face is already coming together. Like, I just love this makeup routine. It's perfect. I'm going with some more bronzer though, for sure. Now, one thing I love about makeup is the fact that it has no rules. So, you know me, I'm always gonna go in with some eyeshadow for blush, especially for the summertime, because I love a coral orangey toned blush for the summer, you know, with a hint of pink still. But I'm gonna go ahead and take some eyeshadow. I literally just dip into all these. You can see this yellow one has some pink in it, this coral, that pink, and I mix them all. I dropped it. But I mix them all together, and that's what's gonna give me a beautiful shade of blush. But obviously, go in and do what works for you when it comes to using eyeshadow as blush. You know your skin tone, and you know what's gonna look good on it. So go ahead and do whatever you think is gonna look cute. I just take it. I put in the high points of my cheek because I love that lifted look. You can see it coming together already. That's why I apply it right there. It's just my face, you know? She's giving. She's giving. Now, one thing I forgot to do, I need to take back my Fenty Beauty bronzer, and let's get a cute little fluffy eyeshadow brush. Nothing's too big, something kind of tapered. Not tapered. Tapered was the wrong word. Something like this. Okay, this is like a crease brush. And I'm gonna dip into that bronzer that I was using before, the Fenty Beauty one, in the shade Cocoa Naughty again. I'm just gonna go ahead and dust this down my nose. It's going to fix that line of the concealer. It's also gonna bring in some shadows to my nose. As you guys can see, for like this whole makeup, I've left my entire lid bare, and some of that is due to the fact that I have lash extensions in, but the other part of that is the fact that I love this darker color on my eyes. It makes it look like you put some effort into your shadow when you really didn't, especially if you have like darker eyes. Eye circles, if you have darker eye circles. But you know, I just leave that bare because, like I said, I don't like doing a lot of makeup in the summertime. I'm usually really not doing much eyeshadow, but also because baby, we gotta protect the lash extensions. They were not cheap, so we're gonna protect them, and we're not gonna put any makeup up here, because one thing about it, makeup in your lash extensions is a nightmare. And I don't want no parts. I don't. Dreams over here only, okay? But now that most of my face makeup is done, I'm gonna go ahead and set with my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. What is this called? This is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Party all night, stay all day. And that's what I like to hear, Charlotte. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray myself down. This might have oils in it, so I want it on my lash extensions. Where the ingredients at? Miss Charlotte, Miss Tilbury. Okay, let me just cover my eyes. Oh my gosh, I sprayed it in the wrong place. She gonna melt that powder into the face. Oh my gosh, my spot again. I have to like swim in it just now. What? All right, I have terrible aim. Honestly, like I'm missing my face totally. Now I'm taking Great Lash by Maybelline. I use this for my bottom lashes because I actually think it's a terrible mascara. I don't know how the girls back in the day were using this because I absolutely hate it. No, I'm lying. I just dragged it OD. I don't hate it, but I just don't like the one for my top lashes, so I use them for my bottom. Just gonna apply it. I only apply mascara in my outer corner to help emphasize like that cat eye look, like, especially because I can't do like eyeliner on my top lashes right now. So yeah, just gonna apply this in my outer corner. Now I have to share with y'all, this is a secret. No, it's really not. I feel like a lot of people use these products, but this has just been my all-time favorite lip combo all summer. I'm using my NYX eyeliner. This is in the shade dark brown as a lip liner. It's literally an eye pencil, but I love it because it's so pigmented and creamy. And I always have a little layer of lip gloss on first before I do my lip liner because I feel like it just helps it blend so much easier. It's not a harsh line. Everything just looks so seamless, and that's always the goal for my makeup, seamless. So I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips, you know, nothing crazy. Just put this around. And you can even leave it like this, like your natural lip color poking through. And you just got some lip liner. Yeah, lip liner gonna hit every time. Okay? And I'll be going ham, honestly. When I was younger, I literally used to underline my lips because I thought my top lip wasn't that defined, so I would always underline it. But within, I think it was right around my 17th birthday actually, I cut that out. The day of my 17th birthday, I underlined my lips. And then I remember like a few days later I was taking pictures and I was just like, let's just do the whole lip. Okay, why am I, you know, making my own Cupid's bow underlining my lip? And ever since then, I've been obsessed. Okay, I go right up to the top and sometimes a little bit over, but I don't care. It just looks so good. I love that full lip look, and thankfully God blessed me with some full lips, so we gonna make them give a look. Okay, I'm just gonna put the cap on this lip liner because I always break them. And now I'm going in with my NYX Butter Gloss. This is in the shade Fortune Cookie. I just tap it in the center. I don't like a lot of this. I actually used a lot of lip liner today, but oh well. And then I'm gonna go on top with the clear gloss. This one is literally $1 from the hair store. It's just, you know, the ones that you keep all over the place. Yeah, I got hella ones of these. I'm just gonna put it on top, so everything blends together. Like, y'all, you see what I did when I put that clear gloss on top? It just made everything, you know, like that looks so good. Y'all, look at this summer makeup. Is she giving or is she giving? Like, she looks flawless. Okay, let me go ahead, take off my band, take off my robe, and I will see y'all in just a second. Okay guys, so this is our final makeup. When I tell y'all, on a regular day, this makeup takes me nothing but 15 minutes to do. It's so simple, it's so fast, it's so easy. It's giving summer, it's giving flawless, it's still cute and beat. But you know, it's not too much for the summertime, so I just love this makeup. I'm so glad that I got to do a beauty video with y'all. I've been teasing and talking about it for months and hasn't done it. But I had to give y'all my summer makeup routine. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below, tell me how much you enjoyed, as well as subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post some new content. I feel like my lip gloss was just going crazy while I was talking because I felt it. Hold on, because I put on some more, I can't even lie. And that's gonna look gross when I edit. But anyways, like I said, I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.